Now, next. Is electric current a vector?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
No, sir.
No.
Why is it not a vector? Jabki it has magnitude and it has
Sir,
direction.
because it does not follow laws of
Follow laws of vector
It
algebra.
doesn't follow vector algebra. Yes. अब इतना वो बन गया है वेक्टर अलजेब्रा. वेक्टर
वेक्टर अलजेब्रा क्या होता है?
हाँ, सो वी आर कमिंग टू दिस पार्ट. दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग कि हमने इतनी हाइप बना दी है वेक्टर अलजेब्रा, वेक्टर अलजेब्रा, वेक्टर अलजेब्रा. तो अब वेक्टर अलजेब्रा पे आ जाते हैं कि भाई वेक्टर अलजेब्रा है क्या. तो भाई वेक्टर अलजेब्रा क्या है कि वेक्टर अलजेब्रा इज द वेक्टर algebra. Please everyone note down. What is vector algebra? भाई नॉर्मल अलजेब्रा तो हमें पता है, हाउ टू ऐड नंबर्स, हाउ टू मल्टीप्लाई, डिवाइड, सब्ट्रैक्ट. यहां पे वेक्टर्स के केस में द सेट ऑफ रूल्स which govern how vectors should be added, subtracted, multiplied or divided. That set of rules is called vector algebra. Simple definition. देखो कि भाई that set of rules which governs how vectors should be added, subtracted, multiplied or divided, that set of rules is called vector algebra, and we'll learn those vector algebra rules right now.
Or you can give some questions of vector algebra.
Coming to that exactly. So vector algebra is the core of vectors. Once you understand that, vectors chapter is over. Once you understand vector algebra, so now we are jumping onto vector algebra. But before jumping onto vector algebra, let's get clear about vector itself first. So what is the representation of a vector? The length of the vector is proportional to magnitude. Magnitude is proportional to length of the vector. The more the magnitude, more the length. And direction is represented by this arrow. And this point is called what? Tail.
Initial point.
tail.
And this point is called head of the vector. Lovely. So this is the representation of a vector. Okay.